Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Are again ready to do another project. For this project, you're going to need a stainless steel drinkware, whatever you like, but there is a stainless steel, a template, whether I printed mine or my Cricut, so you can buy it or you can print it on whatever machine you may have. We're going to need the formula that is going to do the etching. We're going to need a brush. I will probably suggest you to get one like this with the sponge. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. And make sure that you wear gloves, okay? We're going to go ahead and etch in stainless steel. So what we're going to be using, also make sure that I put some glasses on to cover your eyes. But this is the product that we're going to use. And I'm going to put the link in the description box of the item and where I got it, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do, of course, is put down your template, and you're going to be using these. But the one thing that I'm going to ask you is that don't get it too wet, because this is like this has the consistency of water, and if it drips, it's going to stain your stainless steel, okay? Where you don't have it. So then you want to just go very slowly over it. Make sure that it doesn't drip outside of the image. And the instructions say, and I've been doing it, leaving it for 15 minutes. But actually what I see is that as soon as I put the liquid on the stainless steel, it starts etching. So I mean, we can still leave it for 15 minutes just to be sure, but I can see right now that it's already etching. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it really good, all inside the image. And another thing is that make sure that your image is completely sealed. You don't leave any little gaps or holes, because the liquid will go in and it will mess up the way your image looks. By the way, these images, like this one that I'm doing, I got them. I have a membership with Shutterstock, and you can buy your images separately, or you can do a membership for $29.99, and you can get 10 images a month. Put the name of a lady that I met some time ago when I recently started doing these kinds of jobs. I met her through Etsy, and what she does is, if you have an image that it doesn't look super clear, she fixes it for you, okay? And she can change it around. She has done work for me, in the past when I had my store and I require more stuff done. And I feel like, if I don't know how to do it, why do I want to spend 3 hours learning? I'd rather pay $10, $15 to someone who's going to whip it out in like 2 minutes. Of 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and leave it like this for another 10 minutes. And just be careful that it doesn't drip down. Just take care of it. And we'll see you back in another 10 minutes. It's been a total of 15 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in the bottle. Be careful that nothing drips, because this is very strong. Okay, so I'm putting this one there, and I'm going to go ahead and wash and take everything off, and I'll see you back. Here it is. I already washed it and took the chemical out, and it's been washed. So this is how it looks. Look at how nice. Write me in the comments what you think. If you have any other questions, I'm going to put a post of this on my Facebook page. So if you want to go check it out and put what you did under the comments, where I'm going to put this one here. So here it is. I hope you like this video. Give me thumbs up if you do. If you like the content of what I do, please go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't to do it. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day, and be good until next time. Thank you.